So here's how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, you will need to make sure that Roblox servers are online and running by opening the browser and then typing status.roblox.com. And now if you see this green message in here, it means that all the servers are operational. Now you can simply close this. Next, we can try to run Roblox as administrator by right-clicking Roblox player and then click on Run as admin and then confirm. Now, if it loads up and it works like that, otherwise what you can do is try to reinstall Roblox by going to right-click on Windows icon and then installed apps. And then in here, search for Roblox. And then click on the Roblox player and click uninstall. And then follow the uninstallation. Same for Roblox, the old Roblox player and Roblox Studio. Now you can close this and open the run command by right clicking Windows and run. And then in here type %local app data %, press enter, and it should open up this folder. Now in here you will need to search for Roblox, which is right here. Right click the folder and click delete. Now after deleting the folder, you will need to go to the browser and then go to roblox.com. And from here, you will need to click on any experience and then click the play button here. And you will be prompted to download Roblox. Click on download and install Roblox and then reinstall Roblox again. Now, once the installation is complete, you can simply run Roblox and it should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.